Beard trimmers run the gamut in terms of functions and abilities, and can be the difference between a manicured look versus a misshapen mess. That's why we decided to go hands-on with some of the industry's top-rated and best-reviewed clippers, and see for ourselves which ones truly stand out. We tested everything from durability to battery life too, and most importantly, how well it trimmed facial hair. After dozens of beard trims, careful consideration, and plenty of testing and retesting, we found 3 beard trimmers that made the cut. We have listed the top 5 beard trimmers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Number 5. King C Gillette Beard Trimmer. If you want to save money and still get a product of decent quality, we say check out the King C Gillette Beard Trimmer, also known as the best budget beard trimmer on the market in 2023. What we like the most about this beard trimmer is its price and how well it performs in everyday. This product contains 3 heads for different beard types: 3-day beard, a short beard, and a long beard. Something fundamental that's always looked for in any of these machines is battery life. In this case, we looked at the autonomy is 50 minutes after charging. As for the shave, it doesn't tug if you have a long beard, something that is essential in ours. The perfect product for those who dare to experiment with cutting facial hair. This shaving device stems from the knowledge and experience of the company's own engineers. It includes 3 different combs that will allow you to create all kinds of looks regardless of your style. You also get to utilize 11 different length settings for all your beard trimming needs. The product also includes a precision trimmer on the back, the head, that will allow you to dive into those hard to reach places. The King C Gillette Beard Trimmer is easy to use, comfortable, and extremely versatile. The beard trimmer head and combs can be easily washed under running water at the edges of your facial hair. Use a beard trimmer without a comb for the best results. If you want a shorter beard, use the 311mm short beard. Room for a neatly trimmed full beard, and to maintain a long beard, use the 1321mm beard comb when used with outcome. The beard trimmer cuts facial hair to a length of 0.5mm, and finally, the product comes in a package of 4.37 by 2.21 by 8.98 inches, while its weight is 10.5 ounces for the listed price. It can't beat this one. Number 4. Hackcure Beard Trimmer Kit. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we've especially singled out the Hackcure Beard Trimmer Kit for you. Is the best value beard trimmer on the market in 2023. When we talk about the Hackcure brand, we're discussing beard trimmers with guaranteed quality. This brand offers everything from waterproof precision shavers to professional clippers, at all pretty affordable prices, although not all that well known. The company guarantees 100% professional, fast, and quality shaving. The device we're looking at has an elegant design that gives you a precise grip and comfort in your hand to facilitate maneuvering in any part of your body. You have a set of accessories that helps you maintain personal hygiene of the whole body. The trimmer is guide combs that you can easily adjust for the close beard you want. And if you want more precision, it has an innovative trimmer for small areas. The product also has a nose and ear hair trimmer. The kit includes elements that you can adapt to your full body shaver. In addition, this modern shaver is silent with unsurpassed precision. You can shave hair of any thickness. Furthermore, the device is weight and size, does the job on its own, and you don't have to put pressure on the area to be shaved. Also, the power in the engine is not felt because it's quite quiet. All Hackcure parts are easy to attach and detach, and you can wash each one under running water. You can even clean the head with water. But still, we have to take into account that the machine as a whole is not waterproof. You should not wash the main part, only the accessories in the head. We're looking at a multi-purpose shaver. Very complete, precise, and comfortable both in holding and in the movement of the blades on your skin. You can use it all over your body. The best thing about this product is that it's quite affordable. It's a great investment to have as a home tool for personal use. The onboard battery gives you about 120 minutes of absolute independence in just 2 hours of charging. It's very effective and perfect for you to take if you wherever you want. Highly recommended. Number 3. Aqua Blade. The next product we'll talk about on our list for today is the Aqua Blade, also known as the best mid-range beard trimmer available on the market in 2023. American Wall offers its all-in-one solution with its Aqua Blade, which in addition to meeting all expectations also boasts. The Aqua Blade has the shape of a fairly small device. At first glance, one might imagine it was designed for travel, as its small size allows it to find its place in a toiletry bag, easily barely visible. The LED laid below the power button serves as an indicator and charges the contours of the product. The thick non-slip plastic coating reminds us that the Wall Aqua blade is waterproof. Not only can it be washed under clean water, but it can also be used in the shower to shave the body when running on a lithium-ion battery. The shaver can last for 3 hours without recharging. The Aqua blade comes with an impressive set of cutting guides, no less than 11. The guide comes in box 1.4345610131922 and is 25 millimeters. And don't forget the guide comes with adjustable cutting height over 6 steps, 246,810 and 12 millimeters, in addition to the self-sharpening steel blade to which various combs are attached. A shaving head with foil is also included in the package. Tested on a 3D beard, but also on parts of the body like armpits. Aqua offers fast, clean, and straight cuts tested on the top of the cheeks and lower part of the neck. The 3-blade shaving head does a neat job even on stubborn hairs that can't resist it. And finally, we'll mention that the product comes in a package rise of 10.73 by 5.8 by 2.29 inches, while its weight is 5.3 ounces. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Number 2. Bevel Pro Trimmer and Clipper. Up next we present to you the Bevel Pro Trimmer and Clipper, also known as the best professional beard trimmer available on the market in 2023 for several years. Bevel's, a basic trimmer, has been a reliable device for guys with thick mustaches or ingrown hair, prone skin. It's great for detailing, spot checking, and near-close electric shaving, but it also lacks something significant: the ability to adjust the length to which you want to trim. Well, here comes the Bevel Pro Trimmer and Clipper, which combines the precision of a combination of a beard trimmer and a haircut. This is what barbershop dreams are made of: a weighted cordless device with the muscle needed for a clipper and the adjustability needed for both beards and scalps. There's a lot to like about the device, so let us take you through some of its best features. The product has a 4-hour charge, and its bright LED display shows battery life and spacing settings. You can adjust the gap between the guard and the blade from 0 millimeters to 2.5 miles. Liters with the push of a button allow for super close fading without any fumbling. This model also comes with interchangeable clipper blades and a trimmer, along with 5 interchangeable guard heads, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 by barber shop measurements for trimming up to ½ an inch, and those protectors are easy to mount and dismount with a magnetic lock. Pro launches Bevel to the barbering stratosphere, along with beloved names like Andis Wall and Baby Bliss Pro. It draws the same clean lines and has the same basic functions as the brand's original trimmer, but its versatility and dexterity with beard and hair make it one of the better combo devices. You can also pair the device with the Bevel Pro T blade for a wider blade for cleaning, with closer and faster cuts. This wider blade is about increased control for precise details, designs, and hard-to-reach areas. The Bevel Pro Clipper and Trimmers, and an all-in-one tool designed for both professional barbers and home consumers. Designed with feedback from everyday enthusiasts and hairdressers, the Bevel Pro is packed with technologically advanced features, such as the world's first lever and less electronic gap adjustment, and pivot like a magnet. Guards make it a first-of-its-kind essential tool for great grooming. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Number 1. Philips Norelco All-in-One. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the best overall beard trimmer available on the market in 2023. Meet the Philips Norelco All-in-One, among the most complete universal beard trimmers on the market. This Philips model stands out with 23 pieces adapted to different cutting needs. It includes different types of metal trimmers, for example for nose, ears for the hair, and for various cuts and lengths of the beard, among others. The device also has an aluminum razor. On the other hand, it includes 6 hair cutting guards, 3 beard trimming guards, 2 body guards, and 1 eyebrow guard, among others. The Philips Norelco All-in-One comes with handy storage bag and a cleaning brush. This model has a powerful lithium battery. This motor delivers just the right amount of power, enough to trim thick hair quickly, but not so much that a gentle glide removes most of your beard or mustache. The design feels nice and also saves space, because the device can sit on the counter or in the medicine cabinet. As for battery life, it works for about 5 hours on a single charge, which is more than enough. The steel blades are designed to be self-sharpening with no need for lubrication. These electric shavers allow smooth shaving in all directions, and thanks to the steel precision, every pair of pants leaves your skin even smoother than before. Plus, the waterproof design lets you shave in the shower or with a lather for added comfort. The device is fully charged in an hour and does not lack a fast charging function. Cleaning the trimmer will be easy thanks to its water assistance. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best beard trimmers in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.